Namaste everybody, welcome to Yogic Healing Heart. Chaitali Shetty here, and today we're going to learn about an important asana which is called as Simhasana or Simha Garjanasana, or it's also called as Simha Mudra, but all the names are related to Simha, that is the lion. And this is the posture the lion assumes before attacking its prey and having that attitude or that confidence. So it is said to improve the confidence level in an individual, and at the same time it is an asana that stimulates the thyroid and the parathyroid glands, so that it is suggested for all the thyroid related problems, for hypo as well as hyperthyroid problems. And on top of that, we are going to use all the organs related to the face, like facial muscles and eyes and the tongue and all in this. So it improves or enhances the blood flow to the facial region and rejuvenating the facial cells, so that we don't have to go for the beauty parlor and automatically we are having a kind of glow in the face when we practice this regularly. And also it is practiced by the singers in order to improve their voice quality. And along with that, there are a lot of other benefits, but before moving on to the benefits, let's move on to the tutorial. Let's move on to the steps how to conduct the same. Okay, let's move on to the practice of Simhasana or Simha Mudra. For that, you can sit in any of the comfortable meditative postures like Sukhasana, Padmasana or Vajrasana. I'm sitting in Sukhasana, and the next thing is going to be you're going to slightly lean forward and place your palms against the knees, and you have to press against the knees as you practice. And then the next thing is going to be you are going to protrude your tongue out from its root. You will stick your tongue out from its root and producing a sound like this. This is the next step. And then the third step is going to be you're going to look up or fix your gaze between your eyebrows and hold the position for 20 to 30 seconds, counting 30 counts mentally. And this is how it is done. And also, as you exhale, as you stick your tongue out and as you look up, also spread your palms, spread your fingers wide apart, pressing your palms against the knees. Okay, this is how it looks. Hold the position for some time and then inhale and assume the normal Sukhasana or the seated posture you are sitting in. Go for 3 rounds like this. One more round. After holding for some time, breathing normally, inhale and take your tongue inside and sit comfortably. Sit in silence. Immense benefits from this Simha Mudra or Simhasana, and practice regularly in case if you want to improve your thyroid health and if you want to treat thyroid related problems, and also if you want to improve your facial beauty, because it's going to enhance the blood flow to the facial region, and also it's going to give a kind of confidence, and then it's a best exercise for the tongue, eyes as well as the facial muscles. Thank you so much for watching, and practice regularly and see the difference by yourself. Thank you so much. In case if you have not subscribed, kindly hit the bell icon and then subscribe and like and share the videos. Thank you so much.